Okay, so today we're going hunting for birds. Yes. And there's one there all flying around crazy. Oreo, Eric, come here, come here, come here. Last time I killed a bird, he took it. This cat took it and ate it. Did you, Oreo? Yes, you did. So why did you do that? Now we're going to go hunting. In a few seconds, I'm going to go see what my papa wants. And then we're going to kill all these birds out here today.